What's a good way to get introduced to Islam? The the faith, the spiritual experience of it.
Well, I think, look, you go to, uh, you know, our websites, you go to yislam.org, you come to Yaqeen's website, yaqeeninstitute.org, you go to multiple Islamic websites to get those questions answered. But there's nothing like going to a mosque. There's nothing like actually going to a mosque and meeting Muslims and asking questions. And I tell people, like, you have to step out of your comfort zone and go there and let your world be complicated a bit. Experience it, listen to the sermon, meet people from different backgrounds, and ask questions. Muslims love to be asked, by the way, about their faith because they're so sick of hearing other people talk about it. Palestinians love to be asked about Palestine because they're so sick of other people talking about it. So ask questions and you will have them answered. But there's nothing like a physical connection. There's nothing like a human connection. So definitely try to reach out to your local Islamic organizations and meet people.